Camping sure can be dirty business. Hey guys, May Flom here, and today I'm showing you how I'm making a customize my laundry bag with my ScanNCutDX and a cute little camping SVG file. So if you go into retrieve data, and you can do this wirelessly, or I always just have my SVG files on a USB card, insert in the ScanNCutDX, and there I'm changing it to the larger mat, to the 12 by 24 mat. So what this means, number one, yes, you can just directly read SVG files. You don't have to convert them or anything. That's super handy because you can buy all kinds of fun designs. And then number two, because I'm using the 12 by 24 mat, I can expand this to be much larger, in this case, about 16 inches tall. So that's going to be really big, and it's really going to fill up the front of my laundry bag nicely. Once I have this all set, I can go right in and say okay and select cut. And as a reminder, we'll want to make sure that half cut is turned on. It already is, so I don't need to worry about that. If it isn't, you just push the little tool button and change half cut to on. There I've got my big giant 12 by 24 mat. Love this thing for bigger projects or projects with tons of pieces to cut out of the similar material or same material, but I want to just do it all at once. You can load up that mat. So once your mat is loaded and your material is loaded, now I'm going to show you a piece of gold iron-on vinyl, and then I'm going to switch as soon as I hit cut, I'm going to switch my mind and change it out for white. So just so if you're wondering, why did she show gold and then it turns white? This is why. Anyhow, this material, you want to make sure if you're doing heat transfer vinyl, which I am, that you have the carrier sheet down and the iron-on or actual material side up. And you want half cut on so that it cuts your material, not the carrier sheet. Once all of this is all set, you can go ahead and push start and walk away. This is a very detailed cut, so it's going to take a little while. Once it's all cut out, it's time to weed, which means we're going to remove any of the vinyl we don't want. Now for this design, I decided to go ahead and go with removing all of the lines that would traditionally actually be the cut file, because I liked the look of it with the lines being the green showing through. Once this is done, you guessed it, we put it onto our material, cover it with a piece of cloth, and iron it on until it is transferred. You will know it is transferred because it'll stick to that green fabric. And then you can go ahead and finish off with any other accents if you would like. Personally, just plain. I just want a nice, plain, very clearly camping laundry bag. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.